Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best SSC coaching in your city Ghaziabad? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city Ghaziabad. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Plutus Academy. Plutus Academy is one of the largest growing online coaching class in India. Study materials and video classes are best which this institute provides. Further, Plutus Academy provides best and updated study material to the students. It provides coaching which is available with recorded lectures and video facilities. Plutus Academy has experts and well-experienced faculty. In addition to this, online test series provided by the Academy is completely a best test series. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They will assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institute. Down to our rank 3 institute, we have Career Power Institute. Career Power Ghaziabad is one of the best places to prepare yourself for government entrance examinations like SSC. Career Power Ghaziabad has a dedicated team of full-time faculties of numerical ability, reasoning ability, general studies, English language, current affairs, and has many mentors in its team who have already qualified these government aptitude examinations and who counsel the students on a regular basis. Okay, now let us talk about some of the features of Career Power Ghaziabad. The very first is quality course content. Career Power Ghaziabad has the most comprehensive and exhaustive course content for all examinations. The course material covers all the topics of all the sections that are asked in examinations, enabling students to prepare extensively for their examination. Number 2 is free demo classes. They at Career Power Ghaziabad provide with free demo classes to students to help them choose from the classes they want to attend. They also provide students with a real-time feel of the examinations conducted through their well-designed test series. The last feature is extra doubt clearing sessions. They provide aspirants with extra sessions apart from regular classes to clear their doubts and queries so that they can prepare efficiently for their upcoming examinations. Okay friends, now let us talk about the contact details. The address of this institute is C5, first floor above V Mini Store next to Bandhan Bank, RDC Rajnagar, Ghaziabad, UP 201002. Their contact number is 087505050049. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have Achievers Academy. The address of Achievers Academy is VPL20 Shipra Krishna Vista Plaza, lower ground floor, near Bihari Market, Indirapuram, Ghaziabad, UP 201014. Their contact number is 096541089195. Okay, so the Achievers Academy is been catering to academic needs of the students in every possible way, helping them achieve academic and professional goals. Moreover, unique thing about their class is that they believe to train students in more practical based way, helping students to open up their minds and get them ready for competitive world. Okay friends, now let us discuss their salient features. The very first is practical based teaching methodology. Number 2, team of young and dedicated faculties who knows to bring the best from students. Corporate social responsibility, that is, helping economically weaker students to achieve their dreams. Next is up to 100% scholarship program for all meritorious students. Then personal one-to-one attention and interaction with parents on frequent basis. And at last, tests and mock exams for guaranteed results is conducted by the institute. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is KD Campus Academy. Let us discuss their features. The very first is skilled and sought after teachers. At KD Campus, they have well qualified and experienced teachers who impart necessary knowledge and proper guidance for all round professional growth of individual students. Number 2, KD Publications Impossible Study Material. Exhaustive and impeccable study material for thorough or better understanding by their sister concern KD Publication. Next is Pioneer in Online Tests. They ace the field of online tests with their extensive series of tests. From online labs to on-ride app, KD Campus has a lot more to offer. Next is free special batches for maths and English. They also offer free special batches for maths and English. This helps their students to get a better grip over their respective subjects. Next in the line is excellent short trick for students. Innovative and witty short tricks are shared by the teachers for achieving the desired result in limited preparation time. The last feature is free demo classes for new students. They offer free demo classes for the new students to get an inside the Marvel learning experience they provide in the institute. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city, Ghaziabad. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.